What we're doing today is a recipe I came up with a while ago, and I reckon it's one of my favourite. Alright. What we're going to eat is spicy sausage pasta.
Oh, that sounds fucking mad.
And if you just look at the ingredients, you already know. Lidl coming in again, just being the boy.
Coming in clutch.
And yeah, tomatoes, onion, garlic, basil, tagliatelle, we've got pork sausages, we've got Parmesan, we've got some chili flakes, salt, pepper, we've got peppy peppers, Pequillo.
Peppy peppers.
So we're gonna make like a pasta saucy thing, put it in pasta. So sausages, I kind of just went for anything. You want to de-skin them because it just makes it a lot easier to get the sausage meat out of. Just a little slice.
Lob one at Andy.
Just like that. Splat. Degloved sausages in, and you basically want to like mash them up. The fond on the bottom of the pan, you see that brown stuff? That's where all the flavour comes from. All right, so we're gonna let that go, and we're gonna get an onion. I also bought my bench scraper with me today, which is the world's best thing. You ain't even get one, just buy one. Look, chopping board's dirty, not anymore. We're gonna do a dice, so we're just gonna go one slice.
They're looking fresh.
Yeah. Oh, look at that.
I can't wait to get home and rip my missus's tights off. They're really starting to itch my legs.
Some garlic.
Tory pan, that is.
It's my mum's, this pan's older than me. All right, going in with the onion. The onion's gonna sweat, which is gonna produce like a bit of water, and that's gonna lift all that, see all that flavour? Right, that won't come off now. You just wait a second until that onion's all cooked down, and it'll lift it up. Garlic, that's another good thing about bench scrapers. Look at that, just clean up, straight in. See that? Look at that, clean pan. So now all that flavour is in the food rather than stuck on the pan. All right, we're gonna go load of salt, load of pepper, and then chili flakes. So this is like, I call it spicy sausage pasta, so this is where you get the spice from. You both like spice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Italian seasoning, just a bit of that.
Boom.
And then just let that all cook down for a bit. For the sauce, we're just gonna do the tomatoes and chop them up and let them break down. So these are all going in.
Yeah, I rate that.
I think like if you get nice tomatoes, like in the winter, I wouldn't do this.
No,
Because
just
the tomatoes aren't in season, they taste like water.
ass.
But, so I'd use, you can use chopped tomatoes, like, which is way cheaper. This just is a bit nicer, isn't it?
Way nicer, I think.
And then 10 minutes, 20 minutes, let that break down. Oh wow. I'm going to put in some of these.
Ooh. That's what good pussy sounds like.
Get in there.
Let you out.
Right, they're in. Rolling boil, salty, real salty. And then, I've never used this before, but it's bloody lovely. Look at that, nice little nest. Jesus! Probably a lot of pasta for 3 people, but hey, we're big boys. Alright, so what I'm going to do with this, it's off the heat at the moment, but I'm going to add some finishing touches. So,
Lemon.
bit of lemon, bit of basil, Bosh. Parmesan. Non-negotiable, this one.
Now is that for the top or is that going in a sec?
Both.
Oh.
We'll go in. We'll melt some cheese into the actual sauce itself.
Yeah.
And then we'll grate some on the top as a little garnish. More cheese, more basil. Why not? This is definitely more of a dinner than a lunch, but I've been craving it. Look how good that looks. You see like the little shimmer from all the fat,
Unreal.
the cheeses and the sausages. Also gonna get some starch pasta water. There's a good rule about pasta. This is a good rule.
Go on.
If it's the right consistency, like liquid in the pan, by the time it's on your plate it'll be drier.
Ah, okay.
So always make it a little bit more wet in the pan, because by the time you've served it,
yeah.
the pasta will like absorb a little bit of it and it'll, yeah. So always get a bit wetter than you want.
No such thing.
ASMR. This is just for presentation's sake, you know. Bosh. Spicy sausage pasta.
That looks amazing.
Yeah.
Unreal.
Mamma mia. I'm dying for this.
Done it again. That is unreal.
Oh my god.
So good.
There's actually a bit of sweetness from those peppers.
Yeah.
It's real nice. A bit zesty from the lemon. Creamy. Meaty.
Yeah, it's like real creamy. That's the cheese, I suppose, isn't it? It's like creamier than you think it would be.
It's the cheese and pasta water like mixes together.
Yeah. See what Sam Smith thinks.
Good.
That's so good.
Yep.
We've done it again. It is an easy pasta recipe without fail.
Yeah. Done.
Dunzo.
That was so bloody good.
Let's go!